Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're here with us, because today we are completely transforming the physical toll that desk life takes on your body. If you spend hours glued to a screen, you already know the heavy price it extracts. But today, we're bringing you a highly structured, evidence-based system called the Hero Project Blueprint. We're going to break down exactly how to unlock your spine, fix your posture, and get your body moving exactly the way it was originally designed to. So let me ask you something that might hit a little close to home. Why exactly does your back feel twice your age? I mean, you probably hit the gym, right? You train a few times a week, you try your best to stay active, and yet your neck, your shoulders, and your lower back just feel incredibly stiff, rigid, and, well, flat out old. You probably just brush it off as everyday tightness. But what if I told you that tightness is actually a massive alarm bell ringing inside your body? Well, here is the harsh truth we've just got to face right out of the gate. Sitting at your desk for 8 hours a day isn't just causing temporary tightness. It is literal cellular level tissue breakdown. Seriously. Your body frankly doesn't care that you are busy answering emails or hitting some huge deadline. All it knows is that your joints are being kept in a fixed, stagnant position for hours on end. And that stagnant environment, it creates the dreaded hunch. This terrible combination of text neck and deep stiffness that is actively ruining both your physique and your health. To fix this, we need a complete holistic toolkit, and that is exactly what we're going to deliver today. Here is our roadmap. First, we'll cover the sedentary trap. Then, why stretching fails. Third, 3 posture-fixing exercises. Fourth, joint nutrition superfoods. And finally, your daily action plan. Let's jump right in. Section 1, the sedentary trap. When you're locked into that desk chair answering emails, your tissues are silently adapting and freezing right into that folded shape. Section 2. Why passive stretching fails. You've likely tried stretching to combat all this. But stretching alone is never going to cure your stiffness. Okay, let's really dive into this, because there is a massive, absolutely crucial difference between flexibility and mobility. Flexibility is purely passive. It's basically just how far your joint moves when something else pushes or pulls it. Sitting on the living room floor and counting to 30 just pulls your joints into these uncontrolled ranges. And guess what? That gap between where you can passively stretch and where you can actively control your movement, that is exactly where injuries happen. Mobility, on the other hand, is active control over your range of motion. It gives your joints the actual mechanical input they are starving for to stay healthy. And here is the plot twist. We call it the stiffness engine. You see, most lower back stiffness actually starts way higher up in the thoracic spine, your middle back. When your middle back stops rotating because you're constantly hunched over a keyboard, it just freezes up. But your body still has to move, right? So your lower back tries to cover for it. It takes on a rotational job it was literally never designed to do. The result? The lower back gets all the blame and takes all the pain, but your thoracic spine is the real criminal orchestrating the whole thing. Section 3, 3 posture-fixing exercises. It is time to shift from the problem to the solution. We have to stop chasing the shape of an exercise and start chasing the tension and intent behind it. So here is your mechanical blueprint to unlock that spine. It consists of 3 incredibly simple, clean movements. We've got the dead hang acting as a spine decompressor, the downward dog to deep lunge, which is your total body opener, and the plank, serving as your structural guard. First up is the dead hang, and the absolute magic number you're aiming for here is 90 seconds. You find a bar, and you just hang from it. I know, it looks incredibly simple, kind of like you're just waiting for a bus, but it works like nothing else. The key is to start from a complete dead hang, dropping your body weight fully into your shoulders. This actively decompresses the spine. Your ultimate goal is to build up to a 90-second hold. If you have to drop before then, well, it's just because your grip is embarrassing you and ending your progress early. Build that grip up, hit those 90 seconds, and watch your posture completely transform. Next up is the downward dog to deep lunge. This move is all about training your brain to actually own your new range of motion. By starting in downward dog and driving 1 foot forward into a deep lunge, you are actively loading that hip flexor at its absolute end range. You don't just passively sit there, you actively push back. This incredible movement combats those rigid, stone-like hips and stiff spines at the exact same time. It's a real game changer. The third movement is the plank. Now, the secret here is that a proper plank is actually 90% mental. While your body is burning and shaking, your brain is actively dumping BDNF, brain-derived neurotraffic factor.
Think of this stuff as literal fertilizer for your brain. It grows new neurons and helps you handle stress way better. Structurally, a vigorous plank teaches your core to support your spine, ensuring you don't instantly collapse back into a hunch the second you sit back down at your desk.
Section 4, Joint Nutrition Superfoods. Look, we can't just fix the outside. We absolutely have to address the internal system too. Because if your diet looks like a kid's shopping list, your recovery is going to tank and you'll never truly unlock that deep stiffness. And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what we're talking about. To deliver oxygen and vital nutrients straight into your joints, you need a highly specific internal environment. Take kalonji or black seed. It improves blood circulation from head to toe. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are packed with magnesium to reduce the oxidative stress that stiffens up your muscles. Pomegranate juice actively fights the inflammation caused by sitting all day. Onions increase LH, signaling your body to produce the testosterone needed for muscle repair. And turmeric reduces inflammation while opening up your blood vessels. This right here is your internal armor. Section 5, your daily action plan. Having all this awesome information is great, but without a clear executable system, it's honestly just garbage. We have to weave it into your day.
The absolute fundamental rule of this entire plan is simple. Environment design beats willpower, period. Most people fail to fix their posture or their health simply because they rely on willpower. But willpower is a highly limited resource. You're gonna run out of it. You must design your environment for success. Remove the junk food from your house entirely. If it's literally not in the cupboards, you physically can't eat it when your brain is totally fried at the end of a long workday. Make doing the right thing the easiest thing. So the crucial point here is implementing this non-negotiable checklist to build out your system. Here is your 7-day challenge. In the morning, you're going to execute 3 sets of max effort dead hangs. During your workday, you hit 7,000 to 10,000 absolutely non-negotiable steps, no excuses. Every single day, you do 10 minutes of the active mobility moves we just went over. And critically, you track it all by marking a big, satisfying X on your calendar daily. Your immediate goal is a 7-day streak, but your real target? That's a 14-day streak. Because I promise you, once you hit 14 days, you simply won't want to break it. As we wrap up today's explainer, I really want to leave you with this final, powerful thought. Consistency beats intensity every single time. It's really not about doing some massive, agonizing 2-hour stretching session once a month. It's about the daily, rhythmic execution of this blueprint. So, what's it going to be? Will you design your environment, build this non-negotiable system, and reclaim your mobility? Or will you let the sedentary trap win and just accept a body that feels twice its age? The blueprint is entirely yours. Now, it's time to build.